sure. Yes. 10. Who's up?
Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICA, will start.
Really?
Good evening, kings and queens. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone had a blessed day today.
Good night. Good night. What's going on?
Floyd says, I am up.
You're up.
Hi,
Good.
Miss Princess. Good evening.
Good evening, Miss Princess Nationa.
Nationa.
How you doing, Nationa?
Diane.
Diane. Two Dianes together. How you doing? How's everybody doing? Happy Wednesday night. How?
Not sure.
Me telling us Facebook always a fight against when I come here. Every time that the comments freeze for away. I don't know what's going on. Anybody else complain about that? Because me just want to know, say, I know we Facebook have something out for.
Right.
Understand?
What we do Facebook
But yeah,
for?
every time I come here, the comments them are frozen.
We have to come out and go back
and
in
then
and come out and go
there
back
are
in.
folks on there that we would like to big up and we don't see the comments because it's just frozen. Like
now it's frozen.
we have to keep going in and out.
Yeah.
There's something, I know they did an upgrade, but it should be upgraded to work better, right?
I'm seeing the comments. Yes, freezing.
Yeah, always a freeze when I come on here. We can see a few of them and then after that, it just freeze and we have to keep going in and coming out,
in and out.
for work.
Yep. And
It's
we miss
annoying.
comments that way.
Yeah, we miss comments. It's annoying, you know?
Yeah.
But we'll go on. We're not going to make no comments stop we. We ain't going to make no comments bring us down.
See, I know we're alone.
Good night, Jennifer Gooden. I know we're alone.
No, Jennifer, Marcia.
Marcia Grant, good night. Glacia, Wagwan. Floyd, we have a king in the house. How you doing? Ardette. What's going on, Ardette? Y'all come over, come see us tonight, So I enjoyed a nice little concert we did on our page. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the concerts. Yes.
Right.
The Grammy winners and stuff, you know?
The award-winning.
Award-winning groups.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Yes, I wanted to put some more people, but it's a job to go and find pictures, you know what I mean? And after a while, your girl was like, you know, yes. But my favorite one is the group one from the awards with Vanilla Chris and Kazim, with Kazim as the lead singer.
Yes, Kazim was the lead singer. You know, see, Kazim a big lead singer.
Mister, one time I do the one that me tell you, so me laugh till me almost peep you up myself.
Mister, when Chocolate sent it to me, oh my God, me laughed so hard. Almost fell on the floor. Mister, no,
it's something else. It's very addicting. Just to make on the door. Me have to tell myself, self, stop it now. Stop it. Me know you want your people them to laugh, but Chocolate, cut it out. Because it's so addicting. Me do some little one with my granddaughter. They're hilarious. You hear me?
They are funny. They are funny, yes.
Yes. YouTube we make you laugh. That's good. We always want people. We love when people laugh, you know.
But you know, Auntie Donna, Auntie Donna one, she finally get all the words right.
Yeah, Auntie Donna finally sing a song all the way through. You understand? Yes,
Word
man.
for word.
Well, okay,
Shouldn't miss a beat with the one there.
okay, and don't the song perfect. Yeah. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. You know what I mean? Yes, man. We pick out the perfect song now. Say no to comment free frozen and we can't see the comments. Yeah.
Cause him take the lead, yes man.
Cousin, Lord, when cousin must sing theme part, the lead part.
Yes.
Me say me laugh till me say me drop in my office pan the floor. Yeah, before me send it go,
Yeah.
I was on the floor in the office. I was cracking up. Yeah.
And then the one with Miss Lothian and Opal.
Oh yeah, the one there.
That one was funny.
Yeah, the
too.
one that funny too.
Yes.
Yeah, man. The one that funny with Opal and Miss Lothian. And Sasha B. Yeah. Big time singer.
Yes,
Big time singer.
yes.
I turn everybody in a singer on Facebook.
Oh, who can sing like me?
Yeah, so if you can't sing, no worry about it.
Chocolate got you.
I got you. You understand? If you ever want to do a nice little video for somebody and you want to sing, to serenade them, just reach out to me, man. You understand? Yes, man. Reach out to me. You can't tell the difference when I'm done with you. Yes, I'm done with you. I mean, if people can walk around and laugh at people going up under other people, then, I mean, why not laugh about something fun? That's
funny.
actually funny.
Yeah.
You understand? Yes, that's what I figure. Positive and funny. Yes, with all our singers. But tonight we come out here for come chit chat with you guys. And I have a question for Ask Vanilla. I know she wanted to talk about, is it easier taking care of a teenage daughter or a teenage son?
To raise a teenage boy.
Yeah, to raise
a teenage girl.
Right, to raise a teenage boy versus a teenage girl. But me also have this question in my head when I want to ask the audience. This have nothing to do with people business. All right, this is because we are best friends and it's around friendship, right? And because I want to go on social media, I want to bring it up for ask the question. But me gonna ask it. Who want to think of people business? I feel them business. Me know in myself that I'm a people business, and because we're friends, and it's around friendship. This topic, right? Would you tell me if my husband was cheating on me as a best friend? That's the question I want to ask.
If
I'm going to ask you guys too, because not everybody is the same. I want other people's opinion on it. If you'd tell me if my husband not cheat on me, or if my name married and he's my boyfriend, would you tell me if he's cheat? If you know for a fact you have evidence that he might cheat on me, would you tell me
absolutely,
as my best friend?
Absolutely. I don't think I would be a good friend if I did not tell you. I think I couldn't hide that from you. I couldn't hide that from you, and then you're acting like everything is hunky dory and you have the best relationship, and knowing that he's actually doing that to you. Hell no! May I tell you? May I tell you? So, brother-in-law, may I tell her? So don't make me see. Or don't make me find out, because may I inform on you.
So who in the chat wouldn't tell them best friend if you know said them significant other is cheating on them? Who in here wouldn't tell, and why?
What's the reason why you want to talk?
Yeah. Melanie said yes, she would have tell.
Glacia said she would tell.
She'd have tell. I would tell.
Michelle said me a chat.
I would tell.
Yeah.
If I know that Clifford, if I have concrete evidence, and I know for a fact that Clifford a cheat on you, there's no way I could have that information and say I love you as my sister, love you as my best friend, and don't tell you, because that would eat me up each time I see you.
Absolutely.
I would feel like the biggest hypocrite, knowing that, you talk good about him, and, you brag about your relationship with him. I know within myself, like, you brag upon this man, and And he ain't all that. He might cheat with he might cheat. Me know he might cheat. What kind of friend would I be to know that? I could couldn't, because the more when it comes to friendship, I think there's a responsibility that comes with friendship. Me not talk about people and so-called friendship, the kings and queens. Me talk about genuine, real friendship. There you have certain obligation to your friend, because me as a friend, I want to know that my friend is happy first and foremost, happy, yeah, and she is not being lied to. Everything that I want for myself, put it that way, I want it for my friend.
Absolutely.
You understand? And it's not just even vanilla that we're best friends, but I have solid friendships, good friendship with people that I grew up with, and we're still friends to today. We've gone through some things together, and I would never, the minute you become my friend, I feel like there are certain responsibility that comes with that, being a friend.
Correct. You have an obligation to tell your friend, knowing that. Why would you keep that from your friend? Yes, you want to see your friend happy, but you want them to be happy when that person really means them good.
This is how it would have gone down if me know say Clifford a cheap on vanilla, because Clifford is my brother-in-law and I love both of them. Right? This is how it would have gone down if me know for your fact, I may have evidence that Clifford are cheap and vanilla. I would approach him and let him know that I know. I'm going to say, Clifford, I know that you're cheating on vanilla. I've seen it with my own two eyes. And you now have the opportunity to go tell her for yourself. And if you don't, then I'm going to tell her in front of you. This is exactly how it go down. So me give him the option for come clean. You understand? This is your wife. This is who you have taken a vow with. This is my best friend. You know how I feel about her. And you have to be honest. I can't hold this secret for you.
Right.
Yes, I'm not gonna hold it for you. Yes, because I wouldn't want you to hold such a secret from me either.
Correct.
You understand? So this is, me know myself. This is exactly how it go down. Me that approach him first and give him, the option. Me that give him the choice for tell her. Yeah? And if him not tell her, me I make sure tell her in front of him.
You not give him a deadline for tell? You just say you have so long for say something.
Me not give him no damn deadline once me and him have a conversation the same time there. You understand? Yeah, because as long as him tell you before me see you. That's how it all go.
So you're going to make sure you tell me.
Yes, me say.
I don't know if I say nothing to you, but me I tell you this.
As soon as me tell him, me expect him to go and tell you. Don't make me see you before him tell you, because I go can't drive your butt over there and tell you in front of him with my evidence. That's how it all go down. Yes. It is hard and serious. Yes, I would give him a timeline. Well, me no want, it depends. Timeline fine, but me just a talk based on me. You understand? Me know me got emotional. Me got hurt. You understand? So me now got say. Me got give him timeline. Me just know say when time me upset or hurt. Me want to put on the table. As I stay. Me want to go up on the table. Me don't know if me go able to sleep, knowing him I do all of this to you. It all bother me, people. You know what I'm saying? This is not a TV thing. This is a real life.
Yeah.
This is my sister. This is my best friend, yo. You understand?
If I was to approach Michael and tell him, I'd say, you know what? You have till the time I reach your yard.
But you have to think
you're not tell her
about the earth. I am gonna think about me. I think about the earth, Me I think about the earth Yes. Do I want her to hurt? No. You understand? Or I want her to double hurt. One time, she find out and know say her best friend when she consider a sister, they know this and never tell her. On top of finding out,
that he did.
or on top of something happening to my best friend where she contract, what if she contract sexual disease? What if him go get somebody else pregnant? What me think about her well-being? You understand? Me think about her well-being. Me don't know how long me I go take. Me not gonna take no time. Me just tell you how chocolate still. Me not take no time. You understand? Whatever you lose, whatever you go through, me I go do that for you step by step. Me know that's the kind of and
yeah.
And you think about it. If me have a friend, what that's gonna be mad at me if me tell that friend. You understand? And malice me and her husband malice me because you have some people still like that, you know. You understand? You have to know your friends.
True.
You understand?
True.
You have some people. Me can me fine. If Vanilla turn around and vex with me, you understand? Hold on. If you turn around and vex with me, or if you turn around and stay with him after that, at least my conscience clear to know that I did what I thought was right. I was looking out for you. And if you turn around and vex with me, then that tells me that you're not a friend who really care about what me have to say, and you never feel the same type of love what me have for you or concern about yourself what me have for you. And that's fine. Me can't live with that. What me couldn't live with is eating, drinking with you, going out with you, go on vacation with the two of uno. You know we go on vacation, did they laugh and stuff, and when he walk we go and talk on his phone, me just go on like I know nothing, big old dirty hypocrite chocolate. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes. When he come and kiss you and stuff and all of
You're
that.
thinking in your head say you're gonna kiss another woman and now you're kiss my friend?
No, me them big old hypocrite girl, you know, remember? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
You make a laugh
Yeah.
with him, and you know what I'm saying?
Oh, look at the love.
Look at the love and all of that. Not me. Not me. Broke up a vacation, them and everything. All of that I got top. Yes, until you do what you're supposed. If them decide to fix it and see and in promising that, because everybody can make mistake. You understand? Anybody can make mistake.
Of course.
If me know say I'm genuine and me see me make steps and effort to change and make things better and I walk the straight line, fine. Me not go tell her to leave him. Me not go them the words that not go come out of my mouth. A fear decision. But me I do what me that do. If I'm a sister, if I'm a daughter and she in a relationship with her husband and she married and have her husband, and me know say it's a good husband she have, you understand? No say her husband loyal, take care and family and everything, and me find out say she a cheat on him, me I tell him to although my daughter.
I agree.
Me I carry, me I call her out pan it. And then me I give her the opportunity to tell him. Yes, me I tell her say she wrong.
Yeah.
She wrong. Me not care if I know my son as somebody else's son.
As somebody else's pick me and as I'm a feel
Yes.
hurt.
As
I'm a
somebody
feel hurt.
else's son.
But to me, if you were to hold that from me and I found out that you didn't tell me and you knew, I don't think you would. I would look at our friendship different.
Yeah.
Like, I thought we were closer than that. That you would have told me. Would I have you up for it? For not telling me. I would have you up for
Me
not
have you
telling me.
up to. Me have you up and me gonna look upon you and say I thought you care more about me.
than that. Of course.
Forget. I know that people look at, everything, but as a big picture. I don't want you care about nothing what me and Mike have together. I don't want you care about that. Just care about my art.
That's what my thing is. I know as long as I tell
I can
you,
get everything back.
as
Don't
long as
care
I
about my
tell
heart.
you and you work it out, that's
Yeah.
between the two of you.
Mhm.
Like you said, at least I cleared my conscience knowing that I told you and I am the friend that I should be to you to tell you the God's honest truth that I'm a cheat upon you, and I have evidence to prove it. It's not just hearsay.
Right.
I can prove it. Here's the, if you want to see the proof, I can provide
Well,
it
you
for
have,
you.
to, you have to go come with the proof because, I mean, me know you're not lying to me, but of course, me go want to say everything. Me can't just go by word of mouth. You understand? Not,
Right.
not that me think say you're going to do that maliciously, but me want to for show him too. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, I want to say evidence. Yeah, I want to say evidence with everything. People, you want to say evidence.
All right, if it was hearsay, would you say something? Would I say something? Me hearsay. Me hear from so-and-so say.
No. Me not go by hearsay because you have people out there that will try to break up people relationship. Me not take no hearsay. Like me say, it have to be, me have to
You have to
have
have
proof.
concrete
Me have,
evidence.
yeah, me not want you come to me with hearsay because people can have, you know, ulterior motives. Some people
That's
just
true.
see people in a good relationship and them
And
don't
bad-mind
like
it.
and bad mind it.
Yeah.
So me no want me no want a hearsay. Me want you come to me with evidence. You're sure of this. Me see him. You know what I mean? Me have this and this. Yes. Yeah, bring it to me. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Boy,
Yeah.
chocolate, me no know one man. Some of them you try to give your friend a hint and them head go on the pillar and the friend add more to it. That's not a friend though. What some people classify as friend. You thought that was a friend. You know what I'm saying? You thought that was a friend. Talking about friends, sisterhood, somebody you love, somebody you care about, somebody where you and them have history, somebody where you know say them got your back, you got their back.
Yeah.
Back. Them the type of friends that I'm talking about. You understand? Me not talk about somebody where you just, because I think a lot of people just throw around that word loosely. You understand? Yeah, a lot of people just throw that word around loosely.
When you have a
Associate
true and genuine friend.
different from
Right.
friends.
Yep.
That people may consider
Somebody you
friends.
talk to once in a blue moon.
Yeah, me
That's
talk
an
about
associate.
like how me and Vanilla close. Remember saying no? Me and Vanilla I come from a long way.
Long way.
Vanilla is like a sister. You understand? So me, even though Clifford is my brother-in-law, and I love him. I know Clifford before me know Vanilla. Yes, love him like a brother. Yeah, I love the two of them. But me tell you, this is how chocolate is. Me want the best for both of them. Me love them relationship. Me love how we hang out together. We go on vacation together.
Yep.
We hang out on a weekend. We all, most of the times, we're together. You understand? And if me no say, Clifford a cheat pan Vanilla, there's no way I could sit down and have another plate of food, go out with Vanilla, go have lunch, and have another plate of food with her. And she would have definitely tell her something wrong with me. Because I couldn't be same person around her. I couldn't laugh. I couldn't even eat. I couldn't do it. I would feel like the biggest hypocrite.
Yeah,
on planet
I agree
Earth.
with that. I agree with
I
that.
would feel like I am the one who did her something wrong. To be
Right,
honest.
like it was your fault.
Yeah, me feel
No,
like me
your
I help
fault
him.
because you're not-
Me
you're not.
help him.
Yes.
I put words in my mouth, Vanilla. Me that feel like me I help him the way I do. You understand?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have to tell you. I would
Yeah.
have to tell you.
Yeah. But
I don't think I would be
good
being
night,
a friend or a
Anisha.
sister,
I said
you
that
know?
already. Yeah.
Yeah, I would have to say something.
But for the people
It's
them
not-
that said them wouldn't say anything, I understand that too. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody's different. Yeah? And I can't use our friendship for judge every friendship. Me willing to take that back. Because everybody handles situations differently. But I know how Vanilla is. I know the strong woman that she is. Yeah? Because this is not like her first relationship. I've seen her moved on. I've seen her do it on our own, gain things on our own. You understand? And happy on our own. And that's the thing. Not everybody can be happy without having somebody. But I know Vanilla can be happy without having somebody. You understand? Worse if a somebody that's not being faithful to her. Yeah? So I know my friend. So when you know the person, it's very different. Yeah? It's very different.
And I made it clear to Clifford, look, you ever cheat on me, we're done.
Yeah. When you can love yourself more than anybody or anything else, and you can be happy on your own, happy by yourself, then things like this, if things like those should happen, then it's not gonna take you out completely.
No.
You're gonna be hurt.
You're gonna be hurt.
Because you're a human being.
And it will take you time to get over it.
Yeah.
To get over the hurt.
Yeah.
And how you respond to it and how you decide to move on from it, whether you decide to stay with him or whether you decide to leave, I would be there for you.
Right.
No matter what.
And I can't give an answer now. So if you tell me and all of that, me gonna say the relationship done. Me can't say that. Me can't tell you that. You understand? It would have to happen that me know what me that go from there. You understand me?
Yeah. I'm very strong against.
So I'm not going to sit down here and be that hypocrite and say, you know why that happened, boom, out the door. Because you have to think about your family. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have and you have to think about basically the history of the person. Yeah. You understand what I'm saying? So if he's a man that's being faithful, being a good husband, being a good provider, you have all this amazing time together, then I might just say, me not gonna make a gal step in and destroy my home over that. You understand?
I understand
yes,
that. I understand that, but I mean the fact that you even stepped out on me, I mean, I look at it like if you step up on me, that means that obviously I'm not good enough.
It all depends on the situation too.
But he and I have had this conversation. And he says when it's different when a woman cheats versus when a man cheats, because when a woman cheats, she gets that emotional attachment versus a man can just go out and just do it for doing its sake. And to have that emotional attachment to that female, like a woman would have the emotional attachment.
Some women, not all women. I believe women are the most amazing cheaters. I think men are sloppy cheaters. I think if a woman decides to cheat, they are so perfect at cheating that a man would not even know. I think women them give men too much props and because them known to be the sex with the most of the cheating, you understand? But I believe women are the best cheaters if them decide to cheat. You understand what I'm saying? Because me and you can get up right now and say to Mike and Clifford, we're going on a girls trip to Jamaica. And they won't question it.
True.
And we can't have a man at the hotel to meet up with me.
True.
You understand what I'm saying?
True.
No question asked.
True.
Yeah.
And you would have to depend on that person.
A man can be in the woman phone listed as Marie. And that woman sit down right there talk to Marie. And then a Marie, a Marlon.
Right.
And you don't have a clue.
That's true.
You understand? Men sloppy. If you more get a phone call, the first thing you more do is grab up your phone and try and walk away with it.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? And
the
voice it tone I got change in that voice.
And he's gonna walk away.
It tone persona I got change. He might get up and walk away, try to be discreet. You understand? Me I got tell Marlon, say Marlon, when I call you and I start talk to you like my girlfriend, just know, sir, Mike the right beside me. You understand? Right. And him go with the flow. I sit down right there and talk to Marlon and Marie. Women are the best cheaters. It's just because women are naturally born nurturers. And women, yes, like you said, most of us are emotional. Our emotion tied up into a relationship. We want to to show love, and we want to nurture, and we want to in a solid relationship.
I mean,
Most
I
of us.
understand.
But if we bust out, for them just bust the gate, you understand?
Yeah.
And then I look upon you a certain way, because there's a double standard. Looking at a woman where have, 2 and 3 men, it's frowned upon, your skettle, your this, your that. And for a man, oh, him a
done.
You understand?
Yeah.
You understand? Him a the done, him a the this, him a the that.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
But you have some women that do go out and cheat, and they only cheat because
I
they're
believe
not
women
getting.
are the best cheaters.
They
Nobody
only
can
cheat
convince
because
me,
they're
no,
not
I
getting
don't.
that sexual satisfaction.
Say that again?
I said some women cheat because they're not getting that sexual satisfaction. They're just going out there to fulfill that reason.
Some of them.
But love the man still.
Yes, true.
They're
And they can
just
separate it. Yes,
Yes,
but
and
men,
they don't have that emotional attachment.
right, but men, them are gonna get attached. Them sloppy. Them sloppy. They don't know them sloppy. They're very sloppy. Trust me. And there are always signs. It's just that some of us women, we ignore the signs, because there is a thing called intuition.
Women's
and
intuition.
if you follow that the intuition, then you never go wrong, ladies. Remember me tell you that like of intuition. Yes. Yeah, I think that intuition. I'm very emotional. So cheating is not in my DNA, trust me. And one man to me think, yeah, me too. You understand? I'm not a cheater. But I know if me to be a cheater, they couldn't catch me.
Women are smarter.
Couldn't catch me.
At
My
cheating
couldn't
than
catch me. Me not ask you. Couldn't catch me.
I'm gonna get you.
Ain't couldn't catch me, but I'm not a cheater.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
And I don't plan on being a cheater.
Right.
I just sit down and see these things. I just study these things. And of course, I have friends too. You understand? And majority, I have a lot of males in my family.
You do?
Yeah, a lot. You know my family, humongous.
Yes.
Yeah, humongous.
Yes.
So me just know, like, if women decide to cheat, reverse it. So we are the player, and it's cool to have 1 man. Like, men, it's alright, him at the down, him at the galleys. Say flip. And society no look upon we no way, and we can do what the men do and still be a lady then.
Right.
Them couldn't walk away. Them couldn't find out. Because we're bad like that.
Yeah. And because
we're not sloppy.
right, and because they put the label upon woman.
Yeah, we're not sloppy like that.
Yeah.
Yes. We could with a wall thing down. Yes.
Would
Ladies?
you all
Yes.
right, you guys have been married for 30 years. And I have a question, and it's a little bit different. So you and Michael have been married for 30 years. Would you want to be married to 2 men?
If me that want to marry 2 men?
Yes.
No. If me want to marry 2 men, me wouldn't marry. It's not, is it legal to even marry 2 men?
I don't know. I saw it on social media.
Married
I'm just asking.
I don't know.
Consider that?
No, I'm not considering that. No, I'm okay with 1 husband. I don't have the urge to cheat. I don't want to cheat. It's not in my head for cheat. I'm just saying. I studied this thing, and I think women would be better cheater than men. Yes. If we did known in a society to be the one with 3 and with 4 men, like how you have the men them out there and them consider them dapper and then consider them girlies. If the role should have switched round, we could have 2 and 3 men, and the main man don't know nothing about it because we're not sloppy like men. Me say it. No chocolate. Wow. 3 too much. 2. I can't manage. No, me can't manage 2. No, me cannot manage 2. Me alright with the one where God bless me with. But I just think women would be, women are better cheaters than men. Yeah, I think so. Men are sloppy with their cheating.
Endless chance of getting caught.
And women we're geniuses. We wouldn't get caught. You know what I mean? We can say we're going to work and we're not going to stay out and come back in the morning like some men would. You know what I mean? We just going to do it during work hours. And we dress up and go to work same way. And then we come back home and we make with it and nothing will change. You understand? Men, them start move different.
Yeah.
Most cases, they start move different. They can't answer certain call when you're around. You understand? Yeah, they can't just put on them phone and left it there. So, me cannot cheat and left my phone here because man when me a cheat with never have a man name. My name Marie and a Marlon him really name. So if you even want to go in on my phone, you will say Marie in there. You understand? When a Marlon in there. Because I said.
And you just have to watch the text messages.
Well, text right. No, me I pay a phone call me I deal with. You see, them men, you know, them just make technology get to them head. Cause why you ever want?
Cause it's proof.
No, me not gonna tell them a secret, ladies, because maybe some men are watch me. I want to take notes somewhere. No, when I want to do that. Me talk chat now. Yeah. Me have to love a man to sleep with him, and me only can love one man at a time. Really? Me believe you can love more than one man at the same time. Not that I do, but me just think that is like, me not really too believe that, because you can love a lot of people. There are different levels of love. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, you can love your children. You can love your niece.
You can love them as a friend.
You can love. Yeah, you can. I can love another man. Me don't know if I can. In love. In love is a different thing. So you're saying you have to be in love for sleep with a man. I agree. I have to be in love for sleep with a man. Yes. Yeah. So nothing good night. What a god. No, a chocolate's the easiest. No, I shoot me a talk. No, they act as though they're so much smarter than us ladies. But we are actually smarter. It's just that we don't pay attention. A lot of us ladies don't pay attention to the red flag. You understand? There are multiple red flags. But some of us get blinded because we're in love. You understand? Some of us don't ignore the red flag and find a reason in our heads for just
try to justify
the red flags. You understand? We have a thing that called intuition, and if we go by that intuition, we can't wrong. We cannot wrong. Yeah, we can't wrong. Yes.
And like Anicia said, them always lock them phone.
Lock phone. You understand? Yeah. Lock phone. Time I got change. Schedule I got change. You understand? Yes. If him used to come home at a certain time every day, that I got change. Because the other one on the side I got have certain demands where I have to meet. You understand? And he can't stay with you and meet those demands. So you are going to see things are going to change. But like I said, some of us ladies like to justify the red flags when we see them. We just sweep them under the rugs. Yeah, it's all up. Nothing wrong with trust. There's a difference when you see things start move differently. You understand? You have to question certain things. And some of us no want to question it till crap hit the fan. You understand?
Right. Like, for example, he always used to come home at a certain time, and all of a sudden him have to start working late.
All them overnight and coming in the morning. That not gonna work. That not gonna work in a chocolate kingdom over here. So that not gonna work. You hear me? No. Anyway, you are go and you have to come in the morning. It's what we are gonna together.
Right.
And show back up at the house in the morning.
Together.
No. Like my mother used to say to me, no, you can't go party and come back in a female house when day are light. That not gonna work.
Right.
When you have your own keys to your own place, that's when that happens.
Yep.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if you are gonna leave this house, me know say you're not gonna no party. You understand? Come in and hear about the party.
For a long time.
For a long time.
Yeah.
You
I
understand?
need to ask you what.
Yes,
what you
and
think
first
me
of
for
all,
here and all
you
this
usually
thing?
ask me to come with you. Should you go
All
to
of a sudden,
a party?
that's it.
So all of a sudden, you're going to just leave. And then you're going to show up in the morning. When you show back up in the morning, it door change.
The lock.
Lock. God. Yes. Yes.
They have an extra lock on it. You try to open it, it will turn. But guess what? There's an extra lock on the inside that you can't get to.
Right. You know, certain things. Yeah, you have to question certain things, ladies. You can't just let it fly over your head and feel like, say, okay, if I ask this means that I doesn't trust the person that I'm with.
Right.
No, you're just asking questions for answers. And you're looking for sensible answers.
Mm-hmm.
Answers with, you know, that makes sense.
Of course.
You understand?
Of course.
Because you know who you're with, you know what to do together, you know how things flow. And if the flow is off, then you have to question why the flow is off.
Right.
Yeah, you can't just sit down and make up excuses in your head, say, maybe a this or maybe a that, maybe a this, maybe a that. No. And communication is a huge deal. Huge deal.
Yes.
Yes.
Communication's key.
Yes, key. Yes,
Yep.
ma'am.
Yeah. And like Anicia said, when a man's cheating, you don't want the woman for touching phone.
Touch
Can't
phone can't just put on. Phone can't just put on. Phone have a lock, and you have to use code for going on a phone. And Lord knows, if you even walk past a phone and brush your phone, yeah, grab up phone. Grab your phone. Mm-hmm. Okay, why can't I touch your phone? Why you gotta grab it?
Right.
You know what I mean? Why you gotta grab the phone?
Yeah.
If I touch the phone, why you need to grab it? What's in there
Well,
that you
hide
need to
it.
grab?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like you're
things
hiding
like
something.
those.
Of
Yeah.
course.
All of a sudden, you used to just left your phone, and all of a sudden now if me touch it, y'all grab it. And if you just say, oh, maybe he just grumpy, yeah.
Maybe he's having a bad
that's
day.
a red flag.
Maybe he's having a bad day.
Because that's a red flag,
Yeah.
and I want to justify it.
Right.
So I say, you know what, maybe him just grumpy and grab the phone.
Yeah.
And so some women love to sit down and justify
Correct.
things.
And when they get up and walk away, you say, oh, maybe it has something to do with work and just need quietness to talk.
But how noisy
I'm
can you
just
be?
I'm
I
just
don't
saying.
think how noisy
There
can
are
you
some
be
people
quiet.
justifying it in their head.
Oh, okay.
That's-
I hear you. Okay. But no, when you're gone whisper in a one corner, take the phone and gone out a door.
Yep.
When you're at the house, have so much space.
Why
You
have to
up in the
outside?
door and gone out the door. Then that's to me is ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? That to me is a red flag. Why you have to go outside?
Yeah.
You understand? But
Yes.
some way. When I say this, when I say it, we ignore, like I said, we ignore the red flag. But we veer off in all of that. I'm just saying that as a friend, I would tell my friend, not knocking anybody that wouldn't, because like I said, some people, we don't know their mental state. You know what I'm saying? And you might tell somebody and it send them in a depression, so them gonna cheat, or they might just want to listen to themselves. There are people like that out there.
But you have some people that would want to hurt them on.
Yeah, and you have some people who are just you know, you tell them, you tell them, and it's no big deal. Like that's his habit, that's his way of. That's how we live in life. So you have all these different type of situation. So you know, we can't use our friendship and what we would have done to judge everybody.
No.
I'm just telling you what I would do.
And I'm telling you what I would do as a friend. May I tell you?
Hi Sylvia, how you doing?
Hey Sylvia.
Hey, Sylvia, how you doing? Because you ask someone, you know, you tell them money and the world, it come like the world are gonna end. Them world are gonna just end. Yeah, that's out of how much 3 billion.
And you have more money in the world than you do women.
But like I said, and for marriages, you have to you know, give that some more, when it involves family, you have to
Of
give
course.
that some more consideration.
Of course.
Boyfriend and girlfriend, yeah, you can't find an ex-boyfriend or you can't find an ex-girlfriend like that. But it all depends on the husband too, because if he's a cheater and that's you know, and that's all him do, it's pointless. It's pointless. Yeah,
Right.
it's pointless.
Right.
Yeah. Yes. So, Sylvia, big up yourself. Oh, me said that already. The thing is sticking, guys. Sticking where we cannot even see on a comment. If you read on a comment and try to talk, cause them don't want you
To hear.
to hear. Of course, they don't want you to hear. Once you see them step out and step gone, and if you come up behind them or follow them walk further, then who you could have possibly talk to? Who in a family you talk to when we can't hear? Yeah? And then worse if them get up and gone out the door. That's a red flag too. You understand me? I'm just saying. Yes.
Yeah.
Them changing us somewhere. Remember? And I said the phone not picking up. That's another thing. Yes, the phone not pick up. Them full of excuse. Like I said, men are sloppy cheaters. Yeah, they're sloppy cheaters.
I was
Yeah.
with my child's father who do all these things we are talking about. That's why I walk out on the relationship. Can't live with a cheater.
No. Why? Why cheat? You know what I'm saying? If you're not ready for a commitment, then you don't commit to a person. It's all right for say you know want to be in a committed relationship where that would allow you to have some type of flexibility to see whoever you want to see, but don't commit to somebody. Tell them that they're the only person you want to be with. They're the only you're in love with them. You want to spend the rest of your life with them, and then saying all of that, it's not like the person get up and did anything to you.
Right.
You just felt like you see something that a little bit more appetizing and you want to step out for it. No, people have feelings. You understand? People have feelings.
Yeah.
Me that prefer you come to, like, if me that prefer before my husband cheat on me and come to me and say, you know what, I don't feel the same way I used to feel about you anymore. As hurtful as it's gonna be, I will heal from that.
Right.
You understand? So I think, we need to just go separate ways. I want to be able to, find somebody else. Because I'm not in love with you anymore. You understand? As hurtful as that I will be.
Right.
Then I know, all right, this is what I need to do and this is what I need to do. No more food fear. Yeah. No more. No more of this cootie fear. Not more. No. Not coming back up into this house. Yeah. Me have to inject. Yes. Yeah. No more. Okay. All right, you want to do that, you want to be with me no more, okay? So, it's going to be 10% for you and 90% for me, all right? And you go and with that 10% and have a good life. Chocolate will be fine. Yes. But don't cheat on me. Don't cheat on me. I will bust the tires them by your car. I will lick out the windows them. Yes. 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 And then I will put a little video on my page with me singing. I bust the windows out your car. Yes. You understand? Yes. But I feel like if you just walk away, so. You know what I mean?
Get away so easy.
So. Not just so. Yes.
You make it pay for it first.
Yes. Look now, chocolate is a cycle. Yes. Yes. Invest all them time. You know what I mean?
Years.
All them years. Years what me can't get back in the people. 30 years long enough. 30 odd years. How we dated 4 before we get married. So 34 years. It's a long time.
Long time.
You understand? Can't just make boy get up and walk with so free. No.
Can't let him just get away with it. So.
You want to settle down when him know him want to run road. We was engaged and were engaged and see that I was going to leave him. Ready for married. Me stop cook and the bathroom work over. Every work you know over. Every single work would have over. Chocolate would no longer be on duty. Yes, no longer
Chocolate
on duty.
signed out.
Sign out. Yes. Yes.
Sign off.
Sign off. Oh yes, check out. 34. Yes, 34 beautiful years. Yes, it is. Thank God for that. You understand? Thank God. Blessed. But I realize, say I'm blessed. And everybody fortunate for being in situations like that. So I'm gonna come brag about that in any type of way. Because like me say, you can see people but you don't see them heart. You understand? Mm-hmm. So 34 beautiful years so far. And I'm gonna pray each and every day that God bless us with another 34 years. Yep. Yes. Yep. You understand?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But me now come out, you come put me head pan the table. Me could have dealt with you for 100 years. And not coming out here come put my head pan no block for anybody and said this. It had never happened. Yeah, that it had never, my husband did not never do this. Or not never do that. I can't see his heart.
You can't.
I cannot.
And you don't know what
what I can say, he treats me like a queen. Mm-hmm. Him good to me. You know, something I just sit down here and talk. No. Yes. Yes. And if it happened, I would be surprised and shocked. I would be like, you know what I mean? But me now come out here, come put down my head pan the block and say that never ever happened. No. I God alone. Me will put my head pan block for. God alone. Mm-hmm. Because I him make me can't swear for him. Yes. Me not swearing for nobody. Me not care what nobody want to say. We want techie and twisty. How them want. And not swearing for nobody. Mm-mm. All I can say is that I give thanks. Mm-hmm. I give thanks and I'm grateful and I don't see it happening. And there are no signs for me to say it will happen. None of that. But me still now come here. Come put me head pan a block and you come with it gun and me swear. No, me not do that for nobody and me can't see them heart. Mm-mm. No. Who want to do it for me can't do it for me. But me not do it for nobody. You know, understand? Yeah. And that don't mean say me anything wrong or no. It's just that me can't see a person heart. Me not sit down and swear for them. Mm-mm. And my mother alone me would swear for. And she dead. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah. No, we're wrong with this thing.
Yes, that's all I have to do is pray for God to continue to bless and strengthen my union and continue to make, continue to bless us and strengthen our union. That's all I can do. I mean, I'm not going to do nothing for jeopardize what we have.
Very true.
But me still. Now come out, yeah. Come put my head pan no block for nobody. Me can't see them heart.
No,
me
because
cannot see no person heart.
Right.
Yes. Now do it. Me not doing it. Me will tell you all day. Say him me know him love me. Me will tell you all day. Say him treat me nice. Yes, him respect me. Yes. Yes, me will tell you that. Do we argue? Yes. No marriage is perfect. We get in an argument. But do we talk it over? Yes, we do. Yes. And him have respect for me as him wife. You understand? He will do anything for me. Yes. But me still now put my head on the block and say me that never do this. Go out there. Me that never ever. Not me. Not I and I. Me not care. You take away my crown.
Then say if Michael cheat, then you have a whole of people come after him.
In family, oh God.
Me not talk about
oh yes,
right. Come after him.
Right. I mean, no long years now we're together. Like I said, we've been together since we're teenagers, yes? And we have fun together, we have fun. But like me say, me still now put my head on the block for nobody. Me now put it for nobody. I'm going to my mother, me that put my head on the block for and the Almighty. You're not even for my daddy. Not even for my father. And I know my father did love and adore my mother. Yeah, adore my mother. And I always say I want a husband like that for adore me. Like how my father did adore my mother.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did love my mother. Yeah? Yes.
I can't
and God
talk
answer my prayers.
Yeah,
so
I can't
God.
talk about my parents' relationship. I mean, I was little when my father passed, but I mean, I never saw my mother with anybody else after my father passed.
Because you know too, you have people in a long-term relationship, and everything going well, they're happy, they're in love, they're loving wife and husband, and then later on in life something happened with one of them, and then they've been together for so long, and you could not believe that they may actually stray from the relationship.
Right.
Because something probably happened to the wife or the husband. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I've never been in a situation like those.
Right.
You don't know what can happen in my future.
You don't.
You understand what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah?
But you have some people that have been with that person for so long that when something happens to that person, like I know when my uncle died, my aunt and uncle had been married for so many years. When my uncle died, she was sicker than he was. She died 6 months later.
Yeah. Now, me not talk about that. Me talk about sometimes that you have people for the wife or maybe the husband fall sick to some disease or some bad sickness.
Yeah.
And at that point, taking care, whether it's the wife taking care of the husband, she gets sick of it. You know what I mean? He can't perform as he used to or do the things that he used to, vice versa. And at that point, that's when the stepping out occur.
I know somebody.
And all these years, they had a beautiful relationship.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So for me now, if I put for me head on the block, when I don't know what can happen in the future.
Right.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then, and if that got happen now, I look ridiculous.
Yeah. I know somebody that was like that. Like, it was somebody I worked with. And every day she talked about her husband. Like, she would tell all these stories about her husband. He got in a car accident, was paralyzed, and it was like, after a while, you hear nothing about the husband no more. She stopped talking about him because he's not physically active. He can't do certain things for her in the bed. She just is like, you hear nothing about the man no more.
And then you have some women would stick with that man and take care of him. And he's still amazing, the amazing man, husband to her. And she still love and she would never be with anybody else.
Right.
You have those too.
You do.
So you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. So it goes both ways.
ways.
Something could happen and might stick with me, take care of me, and still committed to me.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And if down this are not working, when me use my hand or me blow up on, you know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah. And I want to step out. I don't know because I've never been in that situation.
Right.
You understand? I know if something should go wrong with him, I would stay committed and I would take care of him. You understand me? And if in a work, I would, buy one nice little rose or, me have pinky. You know what I mean? Me still have pinky in my drawer. You know what I mean? Me that be all right. See me? Yes. So, I'm just being honest.
Caregiver burnout.
Yeah.
Caregiver burnout.
Caregiver have some people have caregiver burnout. Them tired to take care of the person. And them burn out from it. And them want somebody to give them some love and affection. And them miss going out and miss going, on vacation and places and go out to eat. And then it becomes a burden. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they don't.
So them feel like, me can't, I know me happen to. So why me not just shut down my life? You understand? So at that point, them start having
have some
somebody
people
out,
like
out
that,
there
of
on the
course.
side. Yes.
Of course.
Yeah. So, yeah, it happened. I've seen it happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And like I said, I've never been in that situation. I might sit down here and I say me that take care and do all of that. But who knows how would I feel after a few years? Like, you know, would I miss,
Right.
depending on what happened?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not in the situation, so I don't know.
You have to live in the present.
Yeah, I have to live in the present.
And can't
yes.
talk about something that is
I don't know
unknown.
where that happened.
Right.
It have to be in a situation. So, we can't sit down here and say anything. You understand me? Yeah.
Right.
Mhm.
Because you're not in the situation.
Yeah, me that do the best me can. You know, I don't know how for how long. Yeah? Me that try though. Me that try.
To stay.
Me that feel bad for him for step out. Me that feel bad. If me look at me, yeah, me don't know if me could have do it. Me not think me could have do it. Me that use Rose and Pinky. Me I be honest, Rose and Pinky that for work, yeah. You know the Rose what me I talk about, and Pinky, me have Pinky in my drawer. Me that for make use of Pinky and Rose. Yeah. That's what me that
Your
do.
one named
And me that
Pinky?
still be a committed wife. Yeah.
My one's Purple Man.
Purple Man. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, me too.
So you're all good?
Yeah.
We come
Purple
out
Man.
and chat off with it tonight. And man, and the night me know you chat to me, you know, me know you chat in the comment, you know, and Facebook frozen. Yeah, me know you talk. Yeah,
We just can't
see it.
We come out,
because come back in, and it just every time I go Anissa comment is stucker.
Yeah.
Like Anissa alone upon the live.
Uh-huh.
I mean, no,
you
some
might have
people
one person in between.
Yeah, and one person in between. Like no,
Rose.
it was just Rose Green and no
Yeah.
Anissa. That's all we see on the screen. It
Yeah.
just stuck right there. That somebody want join we're live. When I make people join the screen, but if you want to call, you can call. The number, if you want,
pinned.
it's pinned there. Yes, when I
You're more than
accept.
welcome to call.
Yeah, when I accept for those a split screen live. Not unless it's something we
Unless it's
plan.
scheduled.
Yeah,
Yep.
we schedule it. Yeah, but that's my whole take on the whole cheating thing and telling Vanilla. But it's two girls just saying
Pinky and Rose.
Pinky and Rose. No, Pinky is not
I'm saying it's there was a female.
No, Pinky is not a female. Pinky is because it pink. You understand? It pink. That's why. Me need to get a tough name, don't? Like me need a masculine name. Yeah.
I named mine Purple Man.
Like Tarzan. Something rough. You know what I mean? Tarzan. How about Tarzan?
Stallion.
Yes. Stallion.
The Purple Stallion. The Purple Stallion.
Me fling white pink because it really not it really can't get no masculine name called pink. Me go fling it away. Me fling white pink.
Yeah, replace
It just did it. I mean, I can't tell you the last time I said that thing. Yeah, it did it. I know it did it though. Yeah, it did it there. It did it. A long time now, I don't see it. But it did it. Yes. Hi, Paulette.
Hey, Ricardo.
How you doing?
Hey, Paulette.
It did that one. It did that. Yeah. He's away.
Like
Rocky. Yeah, but me still can't name it Rocky because it pink. You understand? You can't look and set the pink and call it Rocky. Me need one black one. Yeah? Me I gotta look for a black one. Yes, them have black ones. Me I look for a black one. Like Rocky. Queen Maxine like Rocky. Me like the name there, you know. Me I gotta get a different color and actually name it Rocky. You know what me care for life when me get it?
All over Dragon.
All over Dragon.
Vice Master.
I cannot manage, you know. Vice Master. I can't manage, you know. Me like Rocky. Rocky stick with me.
Rocky sticker.
Yeah, because it's for those rocky days. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When me always gone from business and Mike's not there, me can't have Rocky for travel with me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you understand? Yes.
Rocky, your little companion.
Rocky, my traveling companion. That sound good. Me like that. Rocky, my traveling companion. Yes. So one time I go through immigration, and then me always going on nothing to declare, so me not really have to go put Rocky. Yeah.
Pink John.
Pink John. Pink John.
Use the color.
John can't be pink, man. John, that sound like some like a vanilla people them. Like a player, you know them rocker. And that's all that sound. Vanilla people.
Use the color red
for Rocky. So we should go for red. Alright.
Then say if you bring it on and show them.
You know what me bring it on live when me get it?
Then say
Me
they
will bring it on live, you know? Me not afraid. If me can bring you with me when me go out of the country, and me not care. Yeah. Me bring you with me when me go out of the country. Nice little case and everything.
Then say don't be
Me not afraid. Yeah, me not afraid. Me always a think though. And I say, wife me have to declare. Say, one night time me have to declare. Me always going on nothing to declare.
Yeah, if something happened and they search you?
Yeah, it's sitting at my name for search me. Me always a think so. Every time, me never think about searching, no time at all. But every time I have it with me, me always a think search. And me been lucky this far. Yeah.
Knock on wood.
Knock on wood. No one gets searched.
Don't want that to happen.
And when they search me and they say, and I want female, and I say, I beg you that now.
How's that work?
Funny.
Is it nice? I see it's a good size.
Yeah, that nice.
Where did you get it from?
Beg you that now. You know me that eat her. Me that eat her. Yes. You know, because you know me love when people happy.
Of course.
Becky.
You know what?
You know, no get blocked for a. Me think so too.
I agree, Queen Maxine.
Alright, Queen Maxine, and you name it and then you pick a color. Black Rocky. Me gonna get it and bring it on live. But me don't want to laugh because I don't have no behavior when people bring things like this. I don't have no behavior. So me don't want to laugh when me bring it come. You understand? No. We don't want no laughing around here. Me gonna introduce you to Black Rocky.
What?
Yes.
Someone said lady forget to clean hers and rat bite it.
Ew.
What?
What kind of
thing that, Vanessa?
Oh, you forget. How can you forget to clean it?
That's a sanitary thing.
Right. So when you did done what you do, now that first thing that's like, how can you forget to clean that? And how could you put it away without cleaning it?
Right.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah.
No, sir.
No, sir. You know? If I even eat it, I feel one. Like, Sarah, I mean, I'm just saying. Don't talk to chocolate vulgar. I feel if you want, however you want to clean it, I feel. Yeah. You know what I mean? I'm just saying.
Whatever you want to do to it, that's what you're saying. Whatever floats your boat.
You know what I mean?
Whatever makes
if you can't
happy.
clean it, and I feel, then sitting around. Yeah, that's me just a say. Me not telling no what to do. Me and no matter. Yeah, me just a say. Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever
Did I
makes
prevent
you
rat?
happy.
What did I prevent rat from biting?
Right.
That's
You wouldn't have to worry about
you know what I mean?
nothing about it.
Rat. Yeah. But rat, a cheese rat like. Because I see now if I sitting there bite it up.
Was it yellow?
You know me that see if sitting if something sweet did the panny, why I bite it up if find something sweet the panny? Yeah. But if rat a bite you up, that means a cheese left panny. You know, sir? No. Oh, Jesus help yourself. Yes, rat. So I must cheese the left panny if a rat or bite it up. You understand? No.
Ants take it up?
If ants take it up now, sitting sweet the panny. You understand? Yes.
Ants take it up, rats bite it.
Yeah, if ants take it up, I could have only left panny. You understand?
It could.
Honey.
But if you clean it,
And
you
it was
don't have to worry
sweetness
about
there. If you throw like a sugar ground, yes, the ants will take you up.
Yes.
Because it's sweet, you understand? So if ants take you up, that means some sweetness did left panny. But if a rat, a cheese did left panny. And that not look good for you person.
It's cheesy.
Yeah, that not look good for you person.
It's cheesy,
Yeah,
man.
that not look good for the somebody. Yes, at all. My dear, I said she my dear dead in Florida. Nobody dead, we don't want you for dead. No, we don't want you for dead. Not dead.
Whatever floats your
Whatever
boat.
floats your boat, me just a say. If I feel own, there is no reason for it rat bite it up. You know what I mean? If you want to clean it, I feel. Yes, you know what I mean? I feel. Yeah. You know what I mean?
No, sir.
Who you gonna get mad at? You can't get mad at yourself. I feel. But me I gonna get Black Rocky. Yes, I'm gonna bring Rocky come introduce. Yeah, that show that she have sugar. No man, a rat bite up fear. So a cheese.
No, that's the ants.
Oh, the one with the ants. Yeah, the one with the ants
the one
and
with
sugar.
the ants say sugar.
Right, the one with the ants and sugar.
Yeah, that shows
you
that she has
understand?
sugar.
Yeah. So no left if your ants bite it up. Why you gonna left sugar upon it and a fear one? You know what I mean? You clean it up really nice. You know what I mean? Tell it thanks. Kiss him and tell him thanks. You understand? Thanks for everything that you have done for me. You know what I mean? Oh, no, some are not ungrateful, but you know.
It do its job.
You know what I mean? Not even like a chop. Sister, thank you.
They take care of you.
Yeah, I'm grateful.
Yeah.
And
then they for sure some appreciation.
Show some respect. You understand?
Yes.
Some respect.
It took care of you in your need.
In your need time.
In your time of need. It took care of you.
Right.
And satisfied you the way you wanted it to.
Like
So
only you can.
Right.
You understand? Like only you
So I
can.
mean you have to take care of it.
Yes.
And treat it right.
Treat it with respect.
Yes.
Yes, with respect.
Show it some love.
Yeah, man. You understand? What she laugh for must be. Well, I heard that the ants take it up after the woman use it. Sugar did left on it. Sugar did left on it. I go assume. Me I go look for the best in a situation. A sugar did left on it. Look at honey did left back on it. You understand? If you keep look at honey did left back on it. Can't blame me ants.
And what we do, my dear, when you want to send us to the principal?
She never clean it off. You understand? And it was easy to do.
Something.
You understand? Easy to do. Yeah, easy thing that to clean off.
We are going to the principal.
Where my principal?
my dear, send it to the principal.
A long time about it. A long time about it. Yeah. Yes, you're not dead. No. And a laughing matter. The thing about it, anything will take care of you. You have to show
love.
Love, you know what I mean?
Yes.
You know, just fling it down after it thing, you know?
It work hard for you.
After the thing do what it's supposed to do, you just all take it and fling it aside now. You know what I mean?
I don't need you no more, thanks.
Yeah, and then you're gonna make rat take you up and answer all them things. No, you know what I mean? Clean up the thing well. You know what I mean? Show it love, thank you, and appreciation. And then you clean him and put him down till next time again. You know what I mean? Yes.
You know, so they want you for announce the arrival date.
You want me to announce the arrival?
Rocky will be arriving on such and such a date.
Me can't give you a date, man, because I really have to go look now, you know. I have to
She
go
have
in
to
a
research and find
a store.
You have to remember, she have to research and find the right one that's going to be able to take care of all of her needs.
But me, I go get it, man.
Yeah.
If you see, if me do 2 more lives and me not have it on the live, type in a comment. Yes?
Yeah.
And then when I come off a live, me go and I might have and do it on a computer. Yes? Because I know me busy. But me I go look for a Black Rocky. Me have to go fling with Pinky first. Oh, me I go break up with Pinky.
Maybe you need to you need to keep Pinky as a backup.
Me can't look on Pinky, see once them call them say a girl name Pinky a girl. Me can't go look on Pinky now. You understand? Oh, what me I go do with Pinky? What me I go do with Pinky?
I don't know what to tell you about
What
Pinky.
me I go do with the girl Pinky?
Maybe it never worked well for her. That's why she forget to clean it.
Oh my God. What me I go do with the girl Pinky? Wanna tell me now? What me I go do with her? So all this time,
I never thought never thought of anything. I never thought anything about it, because, I've heard you talk about Pinky before.
Oh my God, all this time a girl? No, I'm not girl. I just a color. I because I don't want me feel bad.
Then say put Pinky up for adoption.
You may put Pinky up for adoption. Yes?
Then say when you get the red rose.
Red. Me ear say me not get that yet either.
Me say the red
Me
rose
ear say that work wonders.
Some wonders.
Somebody said them kin over them yai lid kin over. Them yai lid kin over. Yeah.
It's like it make them climb the wall.
Yes, she tell me, one of my friends tell me say, our yard then kin over. Yeah. And she that talking a language where she never know exists. So
you want to try it?
Why, but me can't travel with that then when me stay people them
Is
hotel.
it loud? Does it make a lot of noise?
You can imagine then come
I'm
now.
asking
Security come.
Like, what's the ruckus in here?
Yeah, no, I can't. Just
What's
put
the
Pinky
ruckus
aside
in
for what. That's what I'm going to do. Ruben, you still have Ruben, Patricia. Ruben. You still have Ruben.
Keep it as a side piece and say.
Keep it as a side piece.
Now give up on
not too
Pinky.
bad, not too bad.
Yeah, because if Rocky not do what I'm supposed to do, you have your little side piece.
Side piece.
Your backup. You have a backup plan.
A backup plan.
Yeah.
True, true.
Yeah.
Or if me go travel one night time and then go take one from me.
Yeah,
me don't think them all take you away. They not take you away. You understand? Because I would tell them straight up, you can't touch Rocky. Take your hands off of Rocky. Stay away from my Rocky. I would tell them right in our airport, don't touch my Rocky. Me and you will have problems. Yeah, I will fight you for my Rocky. Yeah, me will get out on them in an airport when it come to this. Yeah, me will get out in an airport when it come to this. Like, don't touch me Rocky. Me and Rocky are travel together. You understand me? And on my fault you don't have one man like Rocky. And on my fault you don't have no Rocky. Yeah.
Right.
And me will cuss them for Red Rose. You know what I mean? Yeah, me will cuss them for Rose too.
You'll cuss them for
yeah,
Rose
because
too.
Rose a Rocky sister. Yeah, me will cuss them for Rose. Yeah. Now mess with me. Yeah. Yeah, they see me I come through them better see I'm blind. Yeah. Me will go off on them. Red Rose too dangerous. Cause I say it and the little boy he told his mom he thought she buy him a new toy a wear when me watch it. And what happened to the little boy with Rose? Me never said that. This live is what? This live is PG-35. Yes, man, a PG-35 over here tonight. You understand? Yeah, so just who watch it for a long time knows that this is not foreign for we. We get out here and talk of the things and when it comes to the bedroom things. You understand? We not put our mouth aground and talk, you understand? No, we not stushy. We freak in the sheets and a lady in the street. You understand?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
You understand? Because if you lost for 30 years,
you have to break from bed.
It can't be cold. It can't be no icicle. You know what I mean? It cannot be no icicle. Your bedroom not have no time for be icicle.
No.
In a them moment. You know what I mean? No. You cannot be boring.
No.
You understand?
You have to break some bed.
We talk about them things all the time. You understand?
Break a bed.
You have to be a freak in the sheets and a lady in the street. You understand? Yes. You can't be like, no, don't touch, not right there, not there. No. And the man, Missy Planka boss over there, I teach the people them. And an lie she tell. Yeah, everything she's a spot on. Everything to say, because if you not do it for him, somebody else will. But he make sure I do for you too. It's not a one-way street. It's a two-way street, honey. Yeah.
Satisfaction for satisfaction.
Yes. Don't be sitting up there giving him all the goodness and him Now give you back goodness. A goodness for goodness.
Pleasure for pleasure.
Yes. You understand? Goody for goody. Yeah, goodness for goodness. Yes. But me telling the ladies, you have to keep the bedroom
Spicy.
Fiery.
Spicy.
Yes, you have to keep fiery. Yeah, man. Not boring. Not boring.
Just lay down there.
You understand? Yeah, even if you're at church, you understand? You do your thing.
Wine up on you.
Yes, do your thing, you know what I mean? God, it's a part of life. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yes. And worse, you're married too. You know? You're married. Stop someone or two just insecure within herself. Yes. Let loose pan the boy. Let loose pan the man. Yes.
As him want you to satisfy him,
Reality,
to satisfy you in return.
Yes, you Planka boss are telling them the real thing. But over there, people are crack up. But that's true. You understand? You can't be lukewarm and you know hear me say me like the bingo, the full coverage underwear. But me no wear them there. When me I go to my baby, you understand? Me no wear them there to my bed. You know what I mean? For get me spiciness on. No. I don't like one them me eat. But you know what? Me I put them on for him. You know what I mean? For set the mood. Yeah. Yes, man. We come out here and talk about things all the time, you know. Yes. Because I'm super romantic. Yes.
Yeah.
I am super romantic. Me love the candle lights. Me love them there. Me love the whipped cream. Yes.
You have to have foreplay.
Me love the whipped cream, honey. Yes, me love the whipped cream. Me love the champagne in the bathtub. Me love all with the bubbles. Yes, me love all of that. All of that me love. I am a romantic freak. Yes, because me's a person that love. And I love affection too. You know what I mean?
No, slam bam, thank you, ma'am, over here. No.
I love affection. And me initiate stuff.
Of course.
You can't say because you're a woman, you have to always take the lead. A man like when you take charge too.
Of course.
You know what I mean? Yes, man. Sometimes I used to go work, and when me used to come in from work, me just wall him and drag him in all the closet. Yeah, man, because the closet in my bedroom, it come like a room. Yeah? Yes, and me just drag him in her closet. Yes, drag him in her closet, man. It's wild out. Yes, man.
On the stairs.
Yes, anywhere. In a garage with the car, go in a car. In a car, in a garage. Yes.
No holding.
Yes. In a car, in a garage, make him a look for me. Come upstairs, can't find me. Go out about the house, cannot find me. I call me and can't. I'm say, listen. I just pull up in your garage. Yes. Me in your garage. Why don't you come get me? Them things that...
That's right, Sandy. Say it again.
Yes.
Sheet for tear up, bed head, and foot for broke.
Yes.
We
just in a trench coat. Me have a trench coat. Just my trench coat. Tie up. In the car. In the garage. That's all. Yes. I'll act like the just pulling. Yes. In my heels and stuff. Yes, man. I'm say, me just pull in at your house. Me in your driveway. Role play, no man. Your wife not did it. Tell me so she not did it. Well, come out in the garage. You hear? Me not take no chance. Me don't want your wife come catch me.
No, your wife is
yes. So come. You understand? Yes. Yes, and them sitting there. Me I tell you. Yes, man.
That's right. Hold him and take it.
Yes, man. Hold him at what? Come in, I just go hold him and hold his hand and just run. Go straight through my bedroom, go all the way down in my closet. Yes. And push him way up and they close them. I say yes.
Yep.
Good evening, how you doing? Yes, son. And them spiciness, them things are fun. Are fun and exciting. Keep
it spicy.
Keep it spicy.
Keep it romantic.
Yes. Yeah, man. Call each other, make date on the phone. That's what I do. Yeah, I want to take you out. And him call me and do the same thing. I want to take you out. Yeah. I'd like to take you to dinner, my lady. Where would you like to go tonight? I said, why don't you call around and make a reservation, sir, since you've been pursuing me all this time? Yeah. Yeah. Why you calling my phone asking me where I want to go? Like, don't you have the internet, sir? Yeah. Yes. So we talk to him. Like, me not know him. Yes, man. He very, absolutely. It's like a plant. A relationship is like a plant. And you have to keep watering it.
Absolutely.
To keep it flourishing and growing. Yes.
Otherwise, it's a dead old.
Otherwise. Sometimes, I'll catch up me here, put on my baseball cap. Yes. As and dress up like a brethren. Like we're gonna have to have a drink now. Yes, I saw just rock all them things there. Yes. Yes. You know what I mean? Brethren. Yeah. Spice it. You have to spice it up. If it cold, it's pointless. Pointless.
Right.
You gotta want that person. You know what I mean?
Right.
And I know some of us ladies, especially us growing up in the Highland, we are not taught to be the aggressor, like, be the
first one to
initiate, right? Because when I just got married, that was like, because I grew up in a church and stuff, I thought that was like, no.
Like he's supposed to always
He's
be the one
supposed
to
to always make the move. You think me that make the move? No. But I've learned and I've grown and I've, educate myself and listen to relationship programs and stuff like that when I just get married. And then I say, oh, so I don't really turn me fool. I'm supposed to do all of that. Yes. And say no more. And then me and my husband have conversation and I ask him what I'm like and, and stuff like that. So I know things what I'm like.
Of course.
And him know things that I like. Know me as a romantic person. You can't just jump on me and
jump off.
No, you
jump on and jump off.
You can't just jump on from me. No. You understand?
Yeah. No jump on, jump off.
Yes, son. Attitude. Yeah, man, I forget you look at attitude I calling about. I'd like to take you out to dinner. Where would you like to go? I'm like, don't call my phone and ask me where would I like to go. I mean, you should have already made a reservation to take me out. Where would you like to take me, sir? When you're ready to take me out, you can call me back with that info. All right? Yes. So we keep the thing vibesy, yeah man, like attitude and stuff, yeah man. Slamatic, Wagwan Slamatic. Slamatic, you're supposed to call us,
Text us.
You're supposed to call us, text us on the chocolate and vanilla phone. Yes, because we had call all out your name for something, all right? Call us, text us. Yeah man, so it's nice talking to you guys tonight. I wish Facebook would have worked better where I could see the comments, right. But it's not flowing. But I hope you guys enjoy us out here just chit-chatting with you guys, we'll be back over the weekend and enjoy the videos that are out there. Yes, man. Like them up and laugh. Yes, laughing is good for the soul,
Of course. Laughter is good for the soul.
Laughter is good for the soul, and that's what we try to do, to make you all laugh. I love when people laugh and and people
Can
are
cheer
happy.
somebody up.
I can cheer somebody
Yeah.
up. Yeah.
Make somebody's day.
Yes, so it's good. Yes, I love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. You have a wonderful night, morning, or day wherever you're watching us from. And hopefully when we come back on this weekend, Facebook don't act up and we can actually interact a little bit more with you guys. But we did interact with the ones that we were able to see. All right.
We did try hard.
Take care of y'all beautiful selves. And kings, don't have me up because I said women are better cheaters. Don't have me up, right? Don't have me up. Come back and see chocolate, all right? I don't know, somebody just say that.
We're glad we made your night, Medea. Medea said we made her night.
Oh, that's
Glad we made your night.
That's awesome.
I hope everybody has a blessed night. Enjoy the rest of your week. We will see you soon.
On the weekend,
That's
all right?
right.
Love you guys. Good night.
Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.